lysine. Okay, so this was something also if you have watched my video, all right, you have gotten this. Right, so very quickly, you notice this nitrogen, all right, this is COH, right? So there's a lone pair on this nitrogen and there's a lone pair on this nitrogen. So COH is actually, the O is very electronegative, it's going to pull away the lone pair from this nitrogen, okay, very strongly, because it's very close to this nitrogen. So this one actually is less available. So I'm just comparing these two bases. So this one must be a weaker base, and this one here, this end here, will be the stronger base. Okay, so if you remember the formula of Ka times Kb equals Kw, all right, so if you have a weak base, a weaker base, you will end up having a stronger acid. The conjugate will be a stronger acid. Okay, why? Because if you have a low Kb, you definitely have a high Ka. All right, so I'm going to just draw this out very quickly. So I'm just going to look at the Ka values of these three acids. So this is the strongest acid, the pKa is 2.2, and since this part is the weaker base, all right, I will say this becomes the stronger acid, so you have a pKa of 8.9. all right, and this one will have a pKa, in fact, sorry, I should draw is NH3 plus, is a conjugate acid, has a pKa of 10.5. all right, 10.5 over here. All right, okay, so they say which structure is the predominant when lysine is an aqueous solution of pH 9.5. So if so I'm just going to do one by one. So if the pH is 9.5, which is greater than this pKa, or greater than this pKa, means the medium is actually quite basic, right? Quite basic. So this will exist as COO minus, right? It's going to exist as COO minus. So I'm going to eliminate A already. Okay. Okay, so the next part here, so this one is an 8.9 and the pH is 9.5. It's actually bigger than 8.9, so which means the medium is more alkaline. More alkaline means this kind will actually be able to donate the H plus, because in a very alkaline medium, right, it will be able to the OH minus will be able to pull out the H plus. So this will be NH2. Can you see that? All right, it's NH2. So I also now eliminate C. Right, so sorry, anyway, this should be just a CH. Okay, this should just be CH, right? Okay, last part here, this one here, so this 10.5, so 9.5 actually is below 10.5, so the medium is actually treated as more acidic, so which means I think it will still remain as an acid at the end, right? So this one should be NH3 plus, right? So which means the answer has to be D, right? Answer has to be D. Okay,